Hey guys, it's Mark Ling here, and we're going to look at the members area page on our site. So we just click on members area, and all we're going to do on this page is perhaps say welcome to our members area, and we will say something. You can add anything you want into your members area. You could put a free article. You could put nothing there. You could put a link to a Facebook group if you're going to set up one of those, or a link to your own Facebook page, or anything you want that you think should go in there. In this case, for me, it's just going to be a dummy members area that doesn't do anything other than that. I'll just say there is currently no content in this area. However, if you are looking for the members area for Meet Your Suite, you can find that at www.meetyoursuite.com/members. You know, I could write something like that if I want to. In fact, I'll just leave it completely blank. I'll just leave that out and just say welcome to our members area. Please check back here for any updates. That'll do. And I'll click update. Okay, so you're wondering, okay, but how's that going to help? Well, it's going to be all protected though anyway. So I'm just going to go over here and click on document, and where it says visibility public, I'm just going to change that to password protected. Use a secure password, and then you can just make up a password in here, like whatever you want to type. Bingo bots. Done. And I click update. I might change that password after recording this video, but now if I go to preview the page, our members area looks like this. Protected members area. This content is password protected. Okay, that's exactly what you want. You just want it to do that, so that if there's a human reviewer coming and looking at your website, another thing they can tick off is say, is there a private members area? Yes, there is. Tick. Done. That's it. So it's not essential, but you may as well. It's all helpful for adding to the trust factor and feel of the website as a whole, even though no one's actually necessarily going there on this page. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll join you in the next one. Bye for now.